Hi, I'm Lou Ann Weeks. If you work with stained glass in your mosaics, I'm sure you've discovered how essential a glass grinder can be. It's a tool that I use a lot. You also know that a grinder bits can be a bit pricey, so knowing how to get more out of your grinder bits will save you both time and money. Here's how I do it. First, be sure the grinder's unplugged. And when you get your new grinder or replace a bit, install the bit as low as you can on the shaft and leave only enough of the grit that's necessary to grind your material. Now, I normally use stained glass, so this is the height that I would need. If I were using a thicker material like a ceramic tile, I would set it up higher. Then, after you've used it a while and you start noticing it takes longer to grind, or if you're having to use more pressure, just go ahead and loosen it with your wrench and slide it up higher to a new spot on the shaft and tighten it back down. And then continue to use it until that area of the bit is worn. Repeat this process until you've used all of the grit. Then just remove it and replace with a new one. It's that easy to get more out of your bit and your money. Thanks for watching.